My name is Dr. Shubham Malhotra. I recently graduated from Ukraine in 2022 and I can proudly say that I have cleared my FMG exam with good marks 219. So yeah, but this video I'm making for my friends, those who unfortunately were not able to clear this exam this time. So let's see. Now, what is the way forward? Guys, the only way forward is to focus. This exam is merely a screening exam, so don't lose heart. You will surely clear it in next attempt. But the one thing that you have to do right now, or maybe day after tomorrow or tomorrow, is see all the recall videos, mark the subjects in which you have made lot of mistakes and also the topics in which you have made lot of mistakes. Just write it down, and then after that try to focus on these subjects in these next 3 to 4 months and try to revise all the 19 subjects, guys. Yes, try to revise all the 19 subjects, because I know, like, I prepared for all the 19 subjects. So even if in the exam the one subject was neglected or the other subject was asked more, so that was not a problem for me, and that I would advise for all of you. So just write down the weak subjects and weak topics that you marked wrong in this exam and try to revise it 3 to 4 times in these next 4 months. That is the message, guys. And hopefully I will make a video in which I will elaborate at how I studied and what was my routine and what was my sources and what was my resources and to do the PYQs and everything, etc., etc. Thank you, guys. See you soon.